oh pregnant है, उल्टा लटक रही है, all that they're
I
gonna
saw
say.
2-3 comments on it.
But आपको नहीं ऐसे लोगों के साथ जुड़ना है. मेरा काम देखेंगे, people know me, they will message me, you know, like why do I need to reach out and.
Hi Sonali.
Hi Jaya.
Welcome to Bollywood now.
Thank you.
How are you?
Good, very good.
Doing good?
Yeah.
Firstly, I would like to say I was just seeing the clip somewhere and people commenting on your upcoming film which has already been there
Released,
in Jio
हाँ.
Cinema.
Yes.
जो तेरा है वो मेरा है.
Yes.
How was the experience working with two institutions? You know, the Paresh Rawal was there, Amit Sayal was there.
Yeah.
How was that?
Even Sonali Kulkarni.
Sonali Kulkarni,
absolutely.
Yes.
Amazing. I think I had so much fun shooting that film and playing that character Preeti. वो जब मैंने film पढ़ी भी थी, I was like, okay, this seems like a really fun character to do and a fun film to do. In fact, it's the first time where I would say that, you know, Paresh ji and Amit ji are the lead. I mean, I hate to use that word, but you know what I mean. And I'm kind of just supporting them. But even then, the script itni achhi thi. I was like, I have to be part of this film. And I think it's super fun. It's doing well. Abhi, it's not even been a week.
Yes.
And I'm getting great feedback. So if you haven't seen it, go watch it.
Yes. People are commenting that good. This is really a comedy where you see Sonali in a romantic avatar also.
And in a very weird comedy. Some scenes I was like, oh my god, what is this?
But Sonali, I would like to ask from you, what is one reason to do or saying the films like this?
Because it's refreshing and it's good script. I think to say yes to any film, for me, it's like the script is the boss, right? If the script is good. And in this case, it was also the director. When I had my first meeting with him was on Zoom. Because I remember I was shooting for another film of Jio only, Asik in London. And Raj Trivedi, who was the director of this film, he was somewhere in the US. I know he's from the New York Film Academy, but he was somewhere there. And we connected on Zoom and I took the narration. I was like, okay, fantastic script, fantastic director. Like I see his vision, he's super confident. So those are the things that kind of make you say, yes to the film. In fact, and then there was no conversation about this film. Somewhere director also got busy or whatever. वो बाद में मुझे पता चला क्यों. And I reached out for the first time. I messaged him. I said, hey, I want to do your film. Because वो मैं पहले नहीं करती थी, but मुझे इतनी पसंद आई थी script. I was like, I want to do this film, Raj. So like, why have you not called me back? And then he called me for a reading with Aditya Rawal, who's actually Paresh ji's son, but he's also co-written the film. So then Aditya and Raj were there, and I did a reading with them, and I said yes to the film. They said yes to me, and they were like, oh, I was like, why did you not call me? I thought you wanted to cast me. He's like, yeah, because we didn't think that you would want to do a small part. Screen time wise, you know, I was like, no, it's a great film, great part. I'm all in.
Do you agree with the term कि अगर मेरे पास screen time भी कम हो, but impactful हो तो मैं करना चाहूँगी?
100%. No, there's no strategy, but 100%. I have always believed this, that it does not matter. You could be in a lousy film with a lousy character और आप पूरी film में हो, what are you going to do with it? उसका अचार थोड़ी ना डालोगे.
Correct.
तुम इससे अच्छा अच्छी film करो, अच्छा character करो. चाहे वो, I mean, look at Bobby Deol's character in Animal.
Yes.
Do we need a bigger example than that?
No,
like amazing, right?
Yes, yeah, absolutely.
So, there you go.
But मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, why director is thinking like that कि आप नहीं करेंगी? What's the reason?
हाँ, पता नहीं. I don't know. मेरे साथ ना पहले भी ये होता था. I remember, I don't know whether it's the fact that I was a Miss India, then I was from a modeling background. पहले तो there was a stereotype कि सिर्फ glamorous roles करेगी तो और के लिए मत approach करो. फिर approach करो भी तो नहीं, but ये fit नहीं होगी. And then there was also this like, oh, I only want to do leads. I honestly don't understand the concept of leads, and thankfully it's kind of vanishing. The lines are blurring, right? Good characters is what stands.
Characters are the new trend today.
Absolutely. And I mean, a great character can also be the lead and are the leads. So, you know. So then slowly I started. I remember Hijack was a film that I did long back. There also we had great actors like Sumit Vyas and everyone, and then in that also I had a small part. But I've always, even Setters, you know, there's so many films that I did in which it was good characters. But I mean, I've always been of that thought.
Yes, and today we see there is a जैसे कि हमने बात की अभी कि trend is the characters. People are gonna remind you from this or remember you from this
absolutely.
characters and वो चल रहा है अभी.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but मैं आपसे ये भी पूछना चाहूँगी तो आपका approach करने का तरीका या directors को वो बदला या आप जब approach करते हो तो क्या बोलते हैं यार?
हाँ, definitely बदला है because मैं पहले ऐसी नहीं थी. मुझे लगता था कि मेरा काम देखेंगे, people know me, they will message me, you know, like why do I need to reach out? And then somewhere I started learning that no, it's important to reach out and you must message. So there was a phase where I started messaging also, and then some people would just not reply. So that also used to be very disheartening. I was like, yeah, at least reply to kar do. You know, like I always make it a point to reply to whoever messages me. Like, you know, I'm sure you get a lot of messages. Yes. I get a lot of messages. Yeah. We all do, right? Yes. And sometimes people are looking to either brainstorm or connect with you. Maybe they want to work with you, whatever. Absolutely. So I always make it a point that I will reply. You don't want to work with them? No problem. You don't want to meet them? No problem. But at least reply. I mean, that much dignity I think everyone deserves. So I saw that a lot of people in the industry wouldn't reply. And a lot would as well. I went for a lot of meetings as well. So जो कुछ थे जो नहीं करते थे, I mean whatever, I moved on from it. But the ones who would, I found that quite positive. I was like, okay, you know what, this is good. So even sometimes, even if I would not land the film, I was like, okay, I did a good meeting. At least I know what's happening. Yeah. And one of the examples was this film, Jo Tera Hai Wo Mera Hai, कि जिसमें I reached out and, you know,
it worked.
It worked, yeah, absolutely. Otherwise, imagine मैं भी नहीं करती. He would have also assumed कि हाँ नहीं किसी और को ले लेते हैं. कहाँ अब उसको approach करना. So then, you know, it's good.
I feel कि काम मांगने में शर्म ही क्यों है?
क्यों है? It's a matter of pride, right?
Yes,
absolutely.
At the end of the day, it's your profession.
Absolutely.
तो काम मांगने में
और हमारा काम तो है भी वैसा ना, like you have to remind this. There's so many people. You have to sometimes remind that, hey, I'm here. Remember me? Yes. And then it's like, oh yeah, true. So it happens, and it happens with me also. Like there's so many stylists or makeup artists, right? Who I think like, okay, I'm going to work with them in the message, and then I forget about it. Right? Like I've replied to them, and then I forget कि हाँ next event पे इनको लेना है. Then they send me a reminder that, hey, I'm like, oh yes, thanks for reminding me. You know what? Let's do this. Yeah. So this is how the chain works.
Because in this industry there are so many people. You meet every day new people. तो आपको सबको याद रखने में it's for you also to be difficult to
absolutely to remember.
याद रखना सबको.
और वैसे भी social media के आने से हम सबकी brains थोड़ी shrink हो भी गई. Attention span is so less. तो याद तो वैसे ही कुछ नहीं रहता है कि किसको.
But do you agree the fact जितना आप दिखोगे उतना आप बिकोगे?
बिकोगे तो पता नहीं, but I think it's good to be seen, but I also feel वो थोड़ा सा outdated हो रही है line.
Right.
I think to be seen for the right things is important. Yes. Because अभी सब इतना दिख रहा है that it's सब same लग रहा है, right. You know. Whether it's social media or anything. So I feel like it all, like it's I mean आपके साथ नहीं होता कई बार when you're scrolling, you're like it's all the same, it's boring, man. Like you, so then I feel now it's not about जितना दिखोगे, it's about आपका जो दिखा रहे हो वो stand out होना चाहिए.
Yes, for the correct things.
For the correct things, of course. Yes. Yeah. It's so important to give these disclaimers these days because पता चले कि अरे we have to Sonali और जया ने एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था चलो अब हम कुछ अतरंगी करते हैं और that's not what we meant at all.
Just social media पे रहना है.
ठीक रहना है तो कुछ करते no. That's not what we meant. For the right things.
Right. But have you seen about yourself जब people ने अगर आपने कोई picture डाली है, it has been I have seen some of the headlines for yours also, but जहाँ पे आपको लोगों ने गलत तरीके से मैसेज कर दिया यार या कुछ ऐसा हुआ आपके साथ?
या बहुत बार होता है, मतलब बहुत बार होता है. I've lost count for it also, but it's whatever. It's part and parcel of the industry life and the industry. I feel we actors in industry get trolled the most, right?
Because they're in public eye.
In public eye, and because you matter, people troll you. I feel, and whatever, it doesn't bother me at all. It doesn't.
That's a good thing. I mean, everyone should learn this.
No, but it takes time, and you know वो आप करते करते हो जाते हो. Maybe पहले मुझे affect करता था, अब नहीं. मुझे बस लगता है कि sometimes when, like, you know, recently I had posted this headstand video of me doing an inversion, and मैंने उस पे इतना बड़ा खत लिख दिया बहुत सारा कि don't try this and all that. And I was writing, I was like, okay, it is coming from a space of I want to inform people the right way to do it, but I also want to be like, अपना दिमाग use कर लेना before you start, like this was my
Doing
subtext, कि before
yes.
you start trolling me guys, because I know people will say कि oh pregnant है, उल्टा लटक रही है, all that they're
I
gonna
saw
say.
2-3 comments also.
Yeah.
I saw 2-3
And I
comments
was like, and I was prepared for that. I was like, because they're not educated in this
Yes,
field.
yeah,
I am. I am
absolutely.
a certified yoga teacher. I know what I'm doing.
Correct.
And B, sometimes people really don't know what they're talking about because they're faceless, they're going to type. So that's going to happen. But I feel like in some situations, I feel responsible that I should give out the right information because at the end of the day, I am in a power to influence.
Yes.
So I should give out the right information.
There were some people who told you for that reason.
But few, I
it's
was happy
okay.
to see that there was
Yeah,
more
I
support.
even saw. I was like, कि people were in support only.
More support than
more of
troll.
them
Because I think people are also understanding that,
Yeah,
you know, these
yeah.
things are good. And I mean, of course, I wrote that it's actually beneficial and things
Yeah.
like that.
But do you get something जिससे देख के गुस्सा ही आ जाता है DM पे जब कुछ ऐसा आता है?
नहीं.
और फिर रिएक्ट कैसे करते हैं आप, या फिर यू आर लाइक बाहर में जाए?
नहीं, मुझे ऑनेस्टली इंस्टाग्राम के लोगों पे तो बिल्कुल गुस्सा, आई मीन आई थिंक मुझे गुस्सा वैसे तो आता नहीं है ज़्यादा, और अगर मुझे आता है तो वो मेरे बहुत करीबी लोगों पे आता है because I have expectations out of them. Out of these faceless people on social media, no, not at all. The only thing I do to maintain my mental sanity and hygiene is if I see something which is obnoxious और जो मुझे नहीं देखना चाहिए था, I just like mentally cut myself from that thought and move on with life.
Right, absolutely. You know, Sonali, people still remember you from प्यार का पंचनामा to and everywhere you go, लोग ये इस चीज़ के बारे में आपसे बात करेंगे क्योंकि you have done tremendous work. बट ऐसे आपके करियर में ऐसा कोई फिल्म है जिसको लोगों को देखना चाहिए था बट उसके बारे में बात नहीं हुई
है ना? मेरी दुखती रग पे हाथ रख दिया. But I always believe like मेरी दो फिल्म्स हैं जो मेरे बहुत ही करीब है. One is a film called Jai Mummy Di, which was also from the makers of प्यार का पंचनामा, and also a film called Asik, which released last year जो भी जियो पे थी. और ये दो फिल्म्स मुझे बहुत जय मम्मी दी के सॉन्ग्स बहुत हिट हुए थे. सो आई एम वेरी वेरी फॉर्चुनेट फॉर दैट. उसका थोड़ा टाइमिंग भी है, वो कोविड के जस्ट पहले आ गई थी. लाइक कोविड वाज हैड प्रीटी मच स्टार्टेड एंड सो जय मम्मी दी डिड वेरी वेल ऑन नेटफ्लिक्स. सो इट डिड वेरी वेल ऑन OTT, बट व्हेन इट केम एज अ थिएट्रिकल वो नंबर्स नहीं किए जो यू नो हम लोग ने एक्सपेक्ट किए थे. सो वो मुझे लगता है कि आई विश थिएटर पे थोड़ा लोगों ने और देखा होता, या यू नो. Whereas Asik, I feel like I wish more people saw
Vardhan
it.
Puri.
Yes, Vardhan के साथ. Exactly. There's Vardhan, Siddhant Kapoor. So वो true story पे based और वो एक horror story है. और वो फिल्म मेरे पास 6-7 साल पहले भी आई थी, and you know, and since and then it went back, and directors wonderful सारिम, उनके साथ वो story हुई है. So I feel like वो एक फिल्म है जो, एंड प्लस उसमें मेरा काम आई फील इज यू नो, कुछ कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं आप पूरी अपनी लाइक लिटरली जान लगा देते हो. लिटरली इस फिल्म में तो मैंने जान ही लगा दी. सो देन यू फील लाइक आई विश मोर पीपल सॉ इट.
बट डू यू थिंक व्हाट्स द रीजन ऑफ नॉट वर्किंग इट, लाइक लोगों तक पहुंच नहीं पाया, या फिर देयर इज अ न्यू टर्म कॉल्ड PR नहीं हो पाई फिल्म की?
करेक्ट.
प्रमोशंस नहीं हो पाई फिल्म की. तो do you agree with this thing?
So I think it's a mix of everything. I feel like ऐसी बहुत अच्छी films आती हैं, and I'm not only talking about my films. मैं ऐसी काफ़ी films देखती हूँ. जैसे मेरी mom काफ़ी OTT पे content करती है, देखती है, तो वो मुझे बोलते हैं कि ये वाला देखना बहुत अच्छा, और मैंने सुना भी नहीं होता उसका. So clearly, mom's seeing it. So she's one of the few people who's seen it. Now what happens is I've not heard of it. How do I get to know from here? Word of mouth, थोड़ा बहुत. अब ये थोड़ा सा ही हो सकता है. सो बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि कोई अच्छा प्रोडक्ट होता है बट बिकॉज लोगों को पता ही नहीं है. लाइक आई जेन्युइनली फील मे बी बहुत सारे दर्शक जो ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं बोलेंगे क्या आसिक क्या, जाके गूगल करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, या वो एफर्ट भी नहीं लेंगे. बाय द वे ASEQ. सो तो क्या होता है ना, तो अगर फिल्म अच्छी बना ली बट आपने प्रमोट नहीं किया. अच्छा, प्रमोट क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? बिकॉज आई फील पोस्ट कोविड देयर इज सो मच कंटेंट. There's like so much supply, and demand is there, but then the supply is way more than the demand. So I feel it's that. So
The recent example, Lapata Ladies, no one went to theaters.
yes, no one went to theaters.
And when it came to
Correct.
OTT,
And what a film! I was blown. And मैंने भी कैसे देखी, same मम्मा ने बोला एक film है देखो, मैंने सुना था, I was like हाँ okay
वही,
whatever.
वही.
And then when she told me, she like must watch, and I saw it and imagine. So exactly.
Because we were talking and I got to know कौन सी recent ऐसी film थी जो actually theater पे बहुत अच्छी चल सकती थी, but नहीं चली, लोग देखे ही नहीं उसे. And I remember किरण के साथ जब मेरी बात हुई तो किरण even told me I'm upset that लोग ऐसी film नहीं देख रहे.
And imagine it's Kiran,
Yeah.
So exactly. I mean, what I mean to say is that she's a powerhouse of talent, of brains,
Yeah.
of making a good product.
Tag भी मिल जाता है. If it's a big actor, you have to go and watch the film. कभी कभार ये भी हो जाता है, ये भी reason हो सकता है. But then it's okay. It's not the audience.
Yeah, correct. That see उसमें भी होता है कि big tag मिल जाता है, audience will go, but film निकली बकवास.
Yeah.
So that is also there, but at least उनकी film तो देखते हैं लोग. गाने तो चल जाते हैं.
Right.
But it is what it is.
You have played, different characters, diverse characters, but one of your favorite characters, इसको play करने में बहुत मजा आया आपको.
Maza would be Sanj from Jai Mamedi, and जो challenging, that's the word, is would be my character Lail in Asik.
Oh, nice. But कभी ऐसा time रहा है जब you have been asking for the work and I mean आपको वो project करना था but अब तक नहीं आ पाया, या फिर आपके पास था and then it went away from you?
Yeah, it happens. बहुत बार तो नहीं, but so I feel हाथ में आने के बाद गया है ऐसा बहुत नहीं हुआ है, maybe once or twice, and that too, like I remember there's one project where literally it was, I didn't want to do it only, because maybe the script was nice, but if the setup and if the director are just not at the same wavelength, or you don't necessarily, how do I say, approve is a wrong word, but आपको नहीं ऐसे लोगों के साथ जुड़ना है. So then I kind of took a stand. I'm like, I'd rather not do it, and I was very unhappy in a project like that. So that's okay, that's my call. But ऐसे बहुत सारे because मैं काफ़ी auditions करे भी हैं मैंने पास में. So ऐसा होता है कि आपने टेस्ट किया और एकदम end तक आ गया and then no. And that has mostly happened with me in like, so when I say auditions, very advanced levels, like you do a reading or a test with a director or whatever, and it's literally between you and one more person. And then I always notice a pattern that eventually मुझे बहुत interest रहता है कि वो part मिला किसको और वो completely opposite look जो होती है. So I feel sometimes it's more about which look do we want to go into. Because whatever said and done, and now I'm accepting this about myself, that I look a certain way, hence it's easy to put me into a glamorous bracket. Can I do de-glam parts? Yes, I can. I have done and I can. But it's easier to put me in a glamorous bracket. So usually the person opposite me may not be that glamorous, or maybe a glamorous in an unconventional way. So usually that girl gets the part. So then I'm like, okay, so I think this was the...
Right, absolutely. But कोई आपकी strategy होती है कि मुझे ऐसी ही तरीके की film करनी है?
नहीं. कोई strategy रखने की luxury नहीं है. So because whatever work comes my way, and उसमें से जो best work होता है वो मैं ले लेती हूँ. मेरी luxury इतनी होती है कि I at least have the luxury of not doing the kind of work I don't resonate with, या जो मुझे नहीं करना है काम, वो काम मैं नहीं करूँगी, चाहे मुझे कितनी भी उसकी ज़रूरत हो या whatever. So I will not do. So वो luxury है, but जो काम आता है उसमें से जो अच्छा होता है, I love to do that.
Since you have been long in industry, almost 15 years, I guess. Yes.
Make me sound
So,
old.
do you feel you have reached that point जहाँ पे now they have to reach me out?
No, I never feel that. I never feel that, and I feel it's always. So I'll be honest. I think it's different. It's who you'll reach out to now.
Right.
If I started when I started modeling, maybe I would reach out to catalog shoot people or photographers. I will not reach out to them now because they are aware and maybe, you know, they reach out to me or whatever, or ad agencies.
जी.
Then there comes a point in your time you want to reach out to filmmakers or casting directors. I mean, casting directors also all know me, so there's no need to really reach out.
Absolutely.
So I never have that ego. If I feel like, okay, there's a great part being casted for, who's responsible, casting director, I will reach out to that person that, hey, reminder, I want to do this part. Or a director, so then I have no qualms in doing that. So it's really about that.
Right, correct. But I've heard that you're working with Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Yes.
What's on it?
We did a film.
Yeah.
We've already shot for it, and it's again a comedy film called Nurani Chehra. And it's super funny. It's remake of a Punjabi film called Kala Shah Kala. So yeah,
Interesting.
It's super interesting.
How was it? What was the experience?
Very nice. Again, a super ensemble, funny cast. There's Nawaz, there's Nupur Sanin, there's Jassi Gill, there's Dolly Ahluwalia. So it's a fun setup and very refreshing. One of those easy breezy films. और जिसको shoot करते हुए भी हंसी आई और hopefully देखते हुए भी हंसी आएगी.
Right. We will wait for it. But I would like to know, soon you're going to mom, right? You're planning to take a break or something like that. Have you prepared yourself emotionally, mentally, physically?
I think so. Yeah. I think so. In the momhood, everything's well prepared for. I feel extremely ready. When it comes to work, I haven't really thought कि break कब तक होगी, कब I'll resume work. I haven't honestly given that a thought because I'm someone. I mean, when I'm doing this, it's my 100%. You know.
Right.
Of course, there's a bit of work that I'm doing for all the brands and my social media, and that's okay because that has the flexibility also, and they're okay shooting the way I am right now.
Right,
so you know, it's not like I'm playing a character. I'm Sonali. So then that's fine. But films or whether it's series or acting work, I will take a call as and when I feel because मेरा भी पहली बार है, so I don't know how I'm going to feel.
Right.
When will I be okay leaving my baby, not leaving my baby, and things like that. So we'll come to that soon.
But how is the journey going?
Amazing, touch wood. I'm so fortunate. It's been super smooth and super amazing.
But I also wanted to ask, you're totally into fitness, huh? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, what inspired to be in this path? कि मुझे fitness में अपने आप को activate रखना ही है, करना ही है.
Yeah, I think it's a process. You know, over the years, like हम क्यों होते हैं जो हम होते हैं? क्योंकि बचपन से कुछ चीजें होती रहती हैं and we become that way, right? What makes Jaya the way she is? Because a series of things have happened.
Correct.
So I feel like for me, I think my mom played a huge role because she used to practice yoga. But वो ऐसे इतनी seriously नहीं करती थी, but वो करती थी ऐसे कुछ classes में जाती थी, तो उन्होंने मुझे भी बहुत जल्दी योगा में डाल दिया था. So Calcutta में, I'm from Calcutta, so I started practicing there. Then I remember she used to take us for swimming classes very early on. So I used to swim. Then I used to cycle. So I was always very outdoorsy. She used to always promote that between my brother and I. So we were. So I think it started from there. And somewhere in sab cheezon mein yoga fascinated me. And then when I came to Bombay, I took it more seriously, and I realized over the years that was that one thing जो मुझे बहुत peace और शांति दे रहा है और who brings me closer to who Sonali, core of Sonali. So now I enjoy it. I genuinely enjoy it. It's part of my life, and I take breaks when I have to, or I mean it's both ways.
Wow. How much big fan you are of Kolkata's Pani Puri or
Puchka. It's you don't even need to give me the second third option. Kolkata's Pani Puri, which is called Puchka.
Yes,
huge fan, and I think it's like top. उसके बाद वो अपने दिल्ली को क्या बोलते हैं?
So I'll tell you, there is a place in Carter Road, Kolkata.
I know via Kolkata. I go there.
So most of the time I go there.
My first trimester, would have only found me there because I had so much craving of puchka and only puchka. There's one in Powai also. There's one in Carter Road.
Yes.
So
and one it's in Versova वाले लेन पे, ओसी वाला लेन पे,
अच्छा, वो
कोलकाता वाला
नहीं किया.
ये मैंने भी डिस्कवर नहीं किया, बट मैं आ रही थी एक दिन देख लिया था.
You've had?
I'm big fan of Kolkata's Pani Puri
So
because I
good.
studied there.
Oh,
3
you
years.
did?
Yes, with Shiksha Yatan se.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
so
पुचका you
पुचका
can't beat.
is-
एक बार
we
आपने
can't miss
वो पुचका
पुचका.
चख लिया तो बस चख लिया. उसके बाद कोई आपके वो दिल्ली में क्या बोलते हैं, गोलगप्पे, पानी पूरी, nothing will.
No, we say तो पुचका.
Puchka. It's too
Puchka.
good. Now my mouth's watering.
You're gonna go from the
Via
after
Kolkata
interview,
सीधा.
yeah, Kanpur road se. Thank you so much for talking to me, Sonali.
Thank
It was
you.
lovely chatting
Thank
with
you,
you, and I
Jen.
wish you only good luck
Thank
for
you.
all your future projects, for all your babies coming.
All the babies. Wow, that escalated fast.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you
Jay.
for talking to me.